This is the portable soil testing equipment by FarmFluence Automation India, and this is a conventional scientific soil testing kit. Dry soil will not give the readings. There should be at least 25 to 30% moisture in the soil. We have added water to the soil, which is now moist. Instant readings are derived in less than 30 seconds. Now we do the testing by conventional scientific soil testing kit. The soil needs to be soaked in demineralized water for at least 30 minutes, depending on the parameter to be checked. Derive the pH value, found 6.5 to 7, which gives indicative range and not the exact value. This video shows that if by any chance a human error occurs, the values change. We had intentionally administered more reagent where the value showed increase in the range to 7 to 7.5. The readings are compared with the portable soil testing kit, which shows the exact value. Nitrogen values. The values seen are 150 to 250, not exact values as shown by the FarmFluence portable soil kit. Phosphorus, the values seen are above 80, not exact values as shown by the FarmFluence portable soil testing kit. Potassium, the values seen are above 400, not the exact values as shown by the FarmFluence portable soil testing kit. It took about 2 hours to perform the test by the scientific soil testing kit to derive results for 4 parameters, whereas the FarmFluence portable soil testing kit gives it under 30 seconds.